Hello WordPress bloggers, welcome to another tutorial by How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to switch back to the WordPress classic editor. By default, your WordPress installation or setup may come with the block editor, which you can use to create your blog posts. And let's exit that, and so this is what it looks like. So you enter your blog post title, and then you can start writing something here, and then you can add different blocks. And I just find it really not user friendly. If you're old school and you like the classic editor, you can easily do that by going to your plugins page here under your plugins menu, and then click on the add new. And in this plugins page, you will see at the very top here, classic editor. It is one of the most installed plugin. As you can see why it is so popular, because a lot of people do not like this new block editor. Anyways, if you don't see the classic editor, you can also search for it right here, just like that, and it will also show up the classic editor. Just click on install now. Okay, just like that, you activate it. Let's refresh this, and there it is, my beautiful classic editor. Everything's here. Okay, that's all for this video. That's how you set up the classic editor. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.